So you're looking for ways to make semi-passive income online, and you're thinking about an ebook, but you don't know where to start. Well, you came to the right video for this, because today I'm going to show you the whole process to get an ebook out and published so you can sell, and also a super easy way to actually write the book without having any writer skills, because I am not a writer, but I have skills. So stay tuned to the end, because I'm going to show you exactly my process for writing the whole book in a much simpler way. First, you need to find your niche. Whatever kind of valuable content that you want to provide to your audience, find out what it is. For me, for my ebook, it was mostly about freelancing and web development, because I own a freelancing business and I teach others on how to make money as a freelance web developer. So what's your niche? Next is designing the book. Now, this is something that was very, very easy once I figured out that Canva has templates for books. So you can go in and find something that catches your eye, change the pictures, alter the text, and do it super simply to have a nice looking ebook without any design skills. This was a very easy process. If you're not using Canva, use it now. Next up is, where can you sell the book? So there's so many different ways to sell the book, but I chose to use Gumroad and KDP. KDP is Kindle Direct Publishing. And what it is through Amazon. You have to go through a review process to get it uploaded on there, but that is a great way to sell the book. Gumroad is another one. There's multiple other ways. I chose KDP and Gumroad, but I know that Discord is another option. And you can build your own website. There's so many different options to getting it out there to sell people the PDF file to your ebook. Gumroad does take a commission, as well as KDP, as well as most places will take some kind of commission. But if you can build your own website and draw traffic there yourself, that's a good way. Etsy is another one that's a good one. I'm showing my wife now how to get her ebook on Etsy, coming soon. Next, you need to have an audience to sell the book to. Now, with places like Etsy and Gumroad, you can get organic traffic, but it's always best for you to promote yourself wherever you can. I have a little bit of an audience on a few different social media channels, so I posted it in there immediately, and I haven't even posted it to all of them yet. And that got a little bit of traction right off the bat, because I know it's valuable content and I know it's well priced. So figure out where you're going to promote your content for this ebook. Now, for the big reveal, I'm not a writer. It was very daunting for me to think about having to write a book myself, because I'm just not a writer. But I do create content and I know how to talk to a camera. So the way that I made my ebook was that I already had made a YouTube video that went pretty well. It's got almost 100,000 views, and it is all about my freelancing stuff. So what I did is I took the transcript from that video, ran it through AI to organize it for me and check for grammar. And then I read through it and edited it some more and added things that I wanted to add it, removed things that I didn't want to have. But video transcript, you can do a video just like this, or you can do a voice note from your phone, get the transcripts from that, and then use AI to help you clean it up a little bit. And that's how I launched my first ebook. And you can do the same thing. And I did it so quickly. Even some of the people that I were talking to about it, they were like, how'd you do that so fastly? Granted, this was a short video, but it was packed full of useful, actionable tips in order to do a freelance business. So with that being said, it doesn't have to be long. It can be short. Just make sure that it provides the value that you promised from the beginning. If you're trying to give them valuable information, make sure that it's simple, straight to the point. People appreciate that. They don't want to waste time reading fluff. And that's how I launched my first ebook. And it was super simple. And I plan on doing more, because now I found a way for me to be able to write a book without being a writer. I found a way to design a book without being a designer. And now I can have a way to get my value out to other people. And content's a great way to do it, but most of the time you don't get paid much for it. And that's fine. People can use that. But there's other people that like to read, because they can understand concepts better if they read it. So I advise you to find your niche, find out how you're going to market it, design a book, do a voice note, upload it to Gumroad or KDP, and get your ebook started today. That's it. Later.